Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something really exciting for you. We're going to take apart one of the most iconic puzzles in the world, the Rubik's Cube. This colorful and challenging cube has intrigued millions of people since its creation in 1974. But have you ever wondered what's inside a Rubik's Cube? How do its pieces move, and what mechanism allows for those endless twists and combinations? In this video, we're going to uncover all the secrets of the Rubik's Cube by dismantling it piece by piece. Join me on this visual journey as we explore the inner workings of this fascinating puzzle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any details from this and future teardowns. Let's get started. I never imagined that by removing just one hidden screw in one of the central pieces of the Rubik's Cube, it would almost completely fall apart, breaking into several pieces. Did you know that? Next, I'll proceed to disassemble the remaining parts to see how many pieces make up a Rubik's Cube. In the end, we get 55 pieces from a Rubik's Cube. Impressive, right? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.